Hey, today I will show you how to quickly convert a PY file to EXE format. First thing you need to do is make sure you have pip set up properly. For this, you need to locate where your Python is installed. Go to the Python icon and open its location. We are looking for a location, not a shortcut. To this, go into Properties and copy the target location. Now go into Advanced System Setting and get into Environment Variables. Here find Path and paste here link to your Python location which you copied. When we have everything correctly configured, we can go to the folder with your PY file. Here type cmd and confirm. Then type pip install auto-py-2-exe. The program will install. After the installation, type only auto-py to exe. Now you see the program. Here you can choose the language. Here we choose the location of our file. Here you can choose if you want to convert directory or one file. In this section you can choose if the terminal will be visible or not. Here you can add icon with icon extension. And here we have additional file for the program. Here we have many advanced settings which I will not go into. You can learn more from the link in the description. Here you can change the destination folder. I will leave it. After selection everything, confirm with the big blue button on the bottom. After convert, you can close the program. Your file can be found in the output folder. You can run it. Everything worked correct. To remove the program, type pip uninstall auto-py to exe into the console. That's all. Thanks for watching.